Welcome to our slide forming facility. Here at Crawford, we do a super fine job. If it doesn't work, we make it work. We have a lot of slide forming machines. Our 4-slide machines manipulate metal from 4 directions at once, creating complex geometries in a single pass.
When it comes to complex forming, we know that you are looking for that extra competitive edge that can make your parts better for less. Well, at Crawford, we have that edge, and it's called Bihler 4-slide technology. It's a game changer because we can integrate tapping, welding, and 100% inline inspection into a single seamless operation. This means 0 secondary processes, lower tooling costs, and lightning-fast setups.
We can often eliminate secondary operations entirely so we can deliver high-precision parts at a lower total cost.
And that's the secret to producing complex, multi-bend parts with minimal material waste. Hi, I'm Mary Miller. I am the VP of Customer Care here at Crawford. I am the daughter of the current owners and the granddaughter of the founder. I'm your point of contact for quotations, for order placement, to make sure your shipments come on time.
I'm Martha from Crawford Manufacturing, and I'm Mom. We have a saying that if it doesn't work, we'll make it work.
This is our 60-ton Underdrive Bruderer. It runs up to about 800 strokes a minute. We can make all kinds of progressive stampings on this machine. By pulling the ram from below rather than pushing from the top, we eliminate tilt and vibration. The result, unmatched precision, even at peak speeds, and a tool life that keeps your production running leaner and longer. This is a progressive die part, a deep draw. We start out strip coming in left to right. The first thing is to do the onion ring, and then we start drawing, going across here, and over here we punch out a hole in the bottom, and then here we punch out the part.
We also can do light assembly. Here's a product that we build, assemble, and package to be store ready for our customer. So why should you work with Crawford? Because it's about trust.
Amish region manufacturers are famous for common sense engineering. They don't just follow a print. If they see a way to make a part stronger or cheaper to produce, they'll tell you.
And they're very committed to doing a good job and being faithful and giving a day's work for a day's wages.
And one of our biggest assets is our word and our reputation. If we tell you a deadline, it's a real deadline.
We make Y-form stampings and 4-slide precision, built to your specs with a master's vision. Whatever the metal, whatever the quirk, at Crawford Manufacturing